Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to be discussing some tips and tricks on how to keep your house dust-free. Dust is something that accumulates easily in our homes and can cause allergies and other health problems. By following these tips, you can reduce the amount of dust in your home and create a healthier living environment. Tip 1. Clean regularly. The first and most important tip is to clean your house regularly. Vacuum your floors, dust your surfaces, and clean your curtains and upholstery. If you have pets, you should clean more frequently since pet hair and dander can easily attract dust. Tip 2. Use the right tools. Using the right tools can make cleaning much more effective. A vacuum cleaner with a HEPA filter is an excellent choice for removing dust from carpets and floors. Microfiber cloths and dusters are also great tools for capturing and trapping dust on surfaces. Tip 3. Don't forget about your HVAC system. Your HVAC system can be a major source of dust in your home. Make sure to change your air filters regularly and have your ducts cleaned periodically. You can also use an air purifier to help reduce the amount of dust in the air. Tip 4. Keep your home clutter-free. Clutter can attract and trap dust, making it harder to clean. Make sure to keep your home organized and free of unnecessary items. This will not only help keep your home dust-free but will also make it easier to clean. Tip 5. Remove shoes before entering your home. Shoes can track in dirt and dust from outside. By removing your shoes before entering your home, you can prevent this from happening. You can also place doormats at the entryways to help trap dirt and dust. Tip 6. Wash bedding and linens regularly. Bedding and linens can also attract and hold on to dust. Make sure to wash your sheets, pillowcases, and other linens regularly. This will help keep your bedding fresh and free of dust. Thanks for watching our video on how to keep your house dust-free. By following these tips, you can reduce the amount of dust in your home and create a healthier living environment. If you have any other tips or tricks, please share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks.